Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Jordan, and I'd like to share with you this AUDCAD sell opportunity, which I believe it has a strong potential to move lower now. And basically here are the reasons I do have about it. Well, first of all, you can see we're moving in a downtrend, which didn't end with divergences or anything like that, meaning it is supposed to provide us with continuation below it. Okay, now clearly this move up looks truly bullish. Okay, we're creating higher highs and so on, and that's perfectly fine, but let's not forget that every move, as strong as it is, it sooner or later starts providing pullbacks. So this is where the whole idea comes from. We have multiple levels and cycles coming to the same place, and this is the zone which I marked right here. So basically we have Fibonacci retracement 61.8 and two Fibonacci extensions, all three of them coming to this zone. This is also where we got first first divergence, and this is where we get second divergence with a double top. So in other words, in my opinion, we should be looking for sell entries, and currently it's the 4-hour chart closing bar, which means this candle closed exactly as we can wish to close. So in my opinion, we should be splitting here since we're attacking divergences, and this is a reversal pattern. We're trying to catch the absolute top or bottom. In this case, this is the top. That means split your risk into smaller parts for a few reasons. First of all, this candle is very big, which means you can attack first here, okay, and then put yourself a pending order slightly higher, or just attack with a pending order on the pullbacks immediately without attacking here the closing of this bar. Second of all, we need to split our risk and distribute the initial risk of our lot size according, simply because the level that we have right here, the three levels put together creating that zone, the top of it is still pretty far away, and in reality, if that was the high we reached, we have around 50 pips that the price could push higher. So either attack number 1, attack number 2, and attack number 3 somewhere around here if it pushes higher to create the second attempt, or stick with this one alone and this one alone. Up to you, but this is pretty much my idea, attacking AUDCAD for sells, at least for the shorter term. And of course, if you want to be more conservative and not attacking divergences, then you can wait for the break below this low, pullbacks, and this is where you can be joining much more conservatively, giving away the first leg. Of course, the first attempt going with divergences has much higher risk reward ratio. That's why the risk should be less than usual, and this kind of attempt here with the breakout below with the convergence idea, pullbacks and then sells, is much more conservative, but it won't provide you with such a great risk reward. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below this video. Make sure to join us on Telegram. We have a fantastic group where we're sharing such ideas, me and Vladimir Rybakov, all the time. That's it. Hit the like button if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Cheers.